Hiya folks, I just wanted to tell you something really bizarre. Just had a visit of South Wales Police. In fact, 3 burly officers basically asked me my name, wanted to know why I'd been posting criticising about Cadw Welsh Historic monuments. Because apparently some of the posts about Cadw are distressing Cadw staff. And apparently a formal complaint has been made against me by Cadw. The point is that my criticism is of Cadw, no individuals. But apparently, if I don't watch my step, the police will be arresting me and charging me. What with, I don't know. They didn't actually say what they charged me with, but I'm not allowed to publicly criticise Cadw, which is going to be a very, very difficult thing for me to adhere to. Anyway, what's your thoughts on that? Thank you. And subscribe. Watch what you're doing.